This is a simple story, about 5 minutes. Anna wants to improve her English. She wants to speak better. She wants to feel confident. But every day feels busy and heavy. There is school, there is homework, there are many responsibilities. So she thinks, I don't have time. At night, she lies on her bed and scrolls on her phone. Minutes pass. Then she asks herself, is this really true? Does she really have no time? She looks at the clock. She looks at her phone. She realizes something important. She does not need 1 hour. She only needs 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day. So she makes a decision. Every day she will practice English for 5 minutes. No more, no less. The first day feels easy. 5 minutes go by quickly. The second day feels normal. The third day feels boring. She wants to stop, but she tells herself it is only 5 minutes. So she continues. Day after day, 5 minutes. At first, nothing changes. Her English is still not perfect, but slowly, something changes inside her. She feels a little more confident. She understands a little more. She speaks one sentence more clearly. Her teacher notices. Your English is improving, the teacher says. Anna smiles. She did not study for hours. She did not feel stressed. She only practiced 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes becomes a habit, and that habit changes everything. Now she still practices 5 minutes every day. Sometimes she practices more, but she never skips her 5 minutes because she knows something important. Big success does not start big. It starts small, very small. If you want to improve your English, do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait for 1 free hour. Start with 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes every day. Small effort creates big change. Keep going. You can do it.